Well,
That's
she's
an
a
interesting
child.
point.
Yeah, and you know, this was an interesting case to watch, and we've pointed this out because, you know, not only were they using bits of video and waving around the gun and showing the evidence in the case during closing arguments, but they each took turns. So we heard from all of the attorneys. Now, Michael Jaafar, I wanted to get your opinion on the fact that, you know, attorneys on both ends talked about the penalty phase. We don't usually hear that.
Yeah, that was puzzling to me. There's a lot of things in this trial that was disorienting to me. I mean, maybe I was just disoriented watching this trial because a kid was on trial. But when the attorneys, I've seen some bizarre things lately in some of these trials where in advance of the trial we'll have a colloquy where it sounds like a sentencing and a trial hasn't even began yet. And the attorneys, when they were talking about the sentencing phase, I think it's because there's a video of her doing exactly what she's admitted, what everybody knows she did. That was a little bit puzzling to me. I'll be honest with you, Matt. There's always a rhyme and reason in those closed rooms, in those meetings because these prosecutors and these defense attorneys, they all know each other. They're all buddies. They've had many, many, many trials in front of one another, just not many that have been on TV. Maybe there was a conversation between them. Maybe they're both trying to find, they're looking forward to the sentencing phase. Maybe her defense attorneys know that she's going to get convicted. Maybe they know the jury, maybe because they're in the room. But that was a little disorienting for me to see.
Well, we will see what this jury comes back with. They've got that verdict form. They are going over it, 1 hour and 38 minutes so far. Michael Jaafar, stand by. We do have to squeeze in a break, but we are in Ohio where jury selection